Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today I want to share a healthy gluten-free instant dosa recipe. It is very easy to make in your busy mornings. It is also a good source of protein, fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. You can have this for your breakfast or dinner. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a bowl, I am adding 1 cup of Jowar flour. Jowar flour is made with Jowar, which is also called as sorghum. It is gluten-free flour. It helps in weight management. It improves your gut health and manages diabetes. Into it, I am adding 2 tablespoons of besan and 2 tablespoons of yellow semolina. Then mix it gradually. Now add 1 teaspoon of pink salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it again. Then add some water into it and mix it very carefully. Add some more water. Now mix it thoroughly. Into this, I am adding 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1 finely chopped green chilli, 1/4 cup grated carrot, 1/4 cup grated beetroot, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped curry leaves and 1 tablespoon jeera. First mix all these things well. Now I am adding some more water. Mix well and make it into a buttermilk-like consistency. Now keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Grease the pan with very little coconut oil and heat it. Keep the flame on medium-high. Now pour the batter on the pan by filling the gaps in between. Now cook this dosa on one side until the dosa turns crispy. Now flip this dosa and cook on the other side as well. Now fold it and take out into a serving plate. Now make the remaining dosas in the same way. Now our healthy gluten-free high-protein instant Jowar dosa is ready to serve. Here I am serving it with coconut and chana dal chutney. You can have this dosa with any chutney of your choice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.